Hey guys, so in today's lesson we're going to be learning Songbird by Oasis, quite possibly the easiest song I've taught on the channel. Just got 3 chords, repeat the whole way through, very basic strumming pattern. So let's get diving into them chords. Okay guys, so as mentioned in the intro, this one's literally just got 3 chords, super easy. First chord we're going to need is a G chord, so that's second string down from the top, fret 2, top string, fret 3, and then bottom string, fret 3. Sometimes actually I like to pop that one on the B string, second one up from the bottom, fret 3, and then pinky on the bottom for this one, so that version of G for this particular song. Next one we're going to learn is D/F sharp, that's top string, fret number 2, third one up from the bottom, fret 2, string underneath, fret 3, and then I like to pop pinky on the bottom here on number 3 as well, and then that's our chord number 2. And then we're going to play this version of E minor. That is second one down from the top, number 2, string below number 2, second one up from the bottom, fret 3, and then pinky on the bottom, fret 3. Now, as you'll probably notice, these bottom 2 can pretty much stay where they are for the entire song. So let's do that again. That was G. Them 2 can stay on the bottom, D/F sharp, and then that E minor. So it's worth practicing that first, just making sure that them bottom 2 stay where they are. It will make a lot of these chord changes a lot easier. So that was G, D/F sharp, and then this E minor 7, yeah? Cool, if you've got the chords down, let's move on to the strumming pattern and the order. Okay guys, so now we've got the chords down, we're gonna learn the order. So we've got that G chord first. The strumming pattern we want is down, 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 up, down, up. And we're going to do that 3 times. So one more. And then again, down, 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 up, down, up. Then on the 4th bar, we've got down, down, then the D/F sharp twice. And then we do the exact same thing on the E minor. So we've got a bar of E minor, down, 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 up, down, up. Same again. Same again. Then the 4th bar is like a transition bar. Down, down, D/F sharp, down, down. So again, let's do that again. So we've got the G, down, 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 up, bar 2, bar 3, transition bar, down, 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 down. E minor, same thing. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Bar 3, down, 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 up, down, up. Transition bar, down, 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 down. So I'm going to put that all together a bit quicker. Down, 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 down. Down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Down, 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 down. And it just repeats that the entire way through the song. Hey guys, so that concludes today's lesson on Songbird by Oasis. Hope you've enjoyed. If you found this helpful, please do, as always, smash that like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one.